Cases creep back up in Virginia for the second day in a row. Health officials reported more than 1,000 new cases. Right now, 448 people across the state are in the hospital. Here in Hampton Roads, almost every city is considered to be an area of high transmission. Norfolk and Hampton are not there yet, but they are close in the substantial category. The rising numbers have some wondering what's next. Will we have to mask up again? Based on new guidance from the CDC, most of our areas should start wearing masks indoors again. And in a tweet, Governor Ralph Northam echoed that statement. He said all Virginians should consider wearing a mask in public indoor settings. But it's just a recommendation. When it comes to local businesses, are any of them changing their policies yet? Sarah Hammond went to find out.
On Thursday, Virginia Governor Ralph Northam tweeted, quote, all Virginians should consider wearing a mask in public indoor settings where there is an increased risk of COVID-19. A few hours later, North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper echoed that sentiment on his own social media. So what does that mean for mask policies at restaurants and businesses in Norfolk?
We just require anyone that is not vaccinated, which of course includes anyone who is ineligible for the vaccine, to still wear a mask.
At the Catnip Cat Cafe, Laura Lynn Flower says they're watching the latest COVID-19 updates closely.
Staff, if they are vaccinated, it is up to them.
Down the road on Granby Street at the Brick Anchor Brew House, Brianna West says for now, their policies are staying the same.
For staff, if you're not vaccinated, you have to wear a mask. Guest-wise, we encourage everyone who's not vaccinated to still wear a mask.
But just like at the Cat Cafe, they're keeping an eye on the latest data and recommendations.
But we're paying attention to it. We're watching out what is coming out, new guidelines, and what is being said with the governor.
Right now, the CDC recommends people in high transmission areas should wear masks inside public places, regardless of their vaccination status. And VDH Chief Deputy Commissioner Dr. Parham Jabari says now that Norfolk is sitting at a substantial level, something may have to change.
And unfortunately, with the rise in cases, we may have to have a second look about what is again safe and what is not in the coming weeks and in the coming months.
North Carolina's mask mandate is set to expire on Friday, and right now both governors say wearing a mask indoors is a strong recommendation but not a requirement, and both are still urging everyone to get vaccinated. In Norfolk, Sarah Hammond, 13 News Now.